Oh, good morning. Today we're going to talk about chain link fittings, and I have on the desk here a few different types of fittings that you're going to need to put up your chain link fence. Let's start at the top of the fence post. On each corner post, end post, terminal post, you're going to use a cap. This is a terminal cap. This one is for 2.5 inch pipe. It just slips right on top and you bang it on. That's your cap. Then we have loop caps that go on each line post. The loop cap comes in different sizes based on how big the pipe is and how big the top rail. Usually it's given by size by the post and then the rail. So this would be a 2 inch by 1 5/8. So it fits a 2 inch post and a 1 5/8 top rail. On each terminal post, you're gonna have a brace band and a tension band.
Brace bands are used to hold the rail end cup. The brace bands go around the terminal post on the top and bottom, while the rail end cup provides a 1.5 inch slot for the top rail and bottom rails to insert into. Tension bands are slightly longer and are used to hold the tension bars.
This right here is a tension band. Now as you see, the tension band is a little bit different from the brace band. One side is flat and one side is curved. The flat side of the tension band is going to go on the wire side of the fence, and the curved side of the tension band is going to go on the frame side of the fence.
Line boulevards secure the bottom rail to each line post. Each boulevard comes with 2 galvanized carriage bolts. Boulevards are also made for end and corner posts, but you can also use a brace band and rail end cup for those.
Finally, you have fence ties to tie the fence to the post. We have long ties and short ties. The shorter ties are for a 1 3/8 top rail, usually the small top rail like this. The longer tie would be for the thicker top rail like this. And those are your chain link fittings.